Performance improvement. Xprite headlights is the latest upgraded 105W high-power LED chip combination. Xprite round headlights provide a more powerful light output effect, gather a brighter beam, and ensure the clarity and broadness of the night driving field of vision. Multifunction lighting mode. LED headlights contains 4 light modes: daytime running light, low beam, high beam, and turn signal. Approved. The most complete car light mode, giving you an unparalleled driving experience. Quality characteristics. Our headlights are made of die-cast aluminum alloy. The ribbed design of the base provides efficient heat dissipation and can protect the LED chip. Fully enclosed high-performance waterproof. Even if driving in rainy days, moisture will not enter the car lights. Efficient installation. Equipped with LED ballast, LED CAN bus H4, H13 adapter. Plug and play. Simplify the installation process without wasting time. Note: compatible with 2017-2018 JKs with OEM LED headlights will require a headlight bracket for installation. Sold separately. B07 DPB-MNL4. Widely applicable. Compatible with 9706 Jeep Wrangler TJ, 0406 Jeep Wrangler LJ Unlimited, 0718 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door, 0718 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JK 4-door, 92-1 AM General Hummer, 0309 Hummer H1 H2. Top reviews from the United States. Great headlights. So far so good. I just had my father put these in today and they are working good. My last headlights were so dim it looked like they weren't even on while driving at night, but the high beams worked just fine. I see a lot of the Amazon headlights say similar things. Fingers crossed I don't have the same issue with these. I like that they also have the blinker in them. That did require the extra wires they come with, so not something that just automatically connects. My dad is a diesel mechanic, so he did this very quick and easily. I can't say how easy they would be to install for an average person, but I'm sure it wouldn't be too hard to figure it out.